Hey you guys, I wanted to show you guys, make another video about this. This is the Marvel Mystery Oil. It says, sorry about the wind, it improves compression power in miles per gallon, lubricates upper cylinder for smoother idling, keeps engine clean from sludge. So today I'm going to be using it in my gas. So basically what it says, if you use it in the fuel, the top cylinder lubrication improves fuel economy for ultimate engine cleaning and performance, alternate use with Marvel Ultimate Fuel and motor treatment. So 4 ounces every 10 gallons. Use it at every fill up. Use at every fill up as part of regular engine maintenance. Increases compression up to 25%. Water contamination, improve and prevents valve stickiness. So I'm going to put 4 ounces in each of my vehicles, and this is the best stuff you can buy. You actually save money with gas. Right on the 20 mark, so I'm going to put it down to the 16. That would be 4 ounces. That's about down to the 16. This stuff is guaranteed to work. Comment down below what you